Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be the tutorial on how I got my half up half down on my Beauty Forever hair. Make sure you guys check the description for all hair details and the products used in this video. It's very simple, so let's watch and learn. So what I'm doing right here is just parting around this section. I have that hair clip at the top because I put my wig on first and I knew that's where I wanted my ponytail to be. Like, that was even on my head, so I knew it was right in the middle. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going around and defining the part, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I know it'll be even, so y'all should probably do that too. All I'm doing right here is just taking a spray bottle full of water and conditioner and just finger combing through the hair. Look how rejuvenated the curls look like. I am really in love with this hair. And by the way, these are 3 bundles of Malaysian Curly Hair from Beauty Forever. All details will be linked down below, and the frontal is a 20-inch also. So yeah. Okay, so right here I'm gonna take my Pump It Up spray and I'm gonna get a very dense brush. And the reason why I recommend a dense brush is because it gets the hair really sleek in the front. As you guys can see, like, look how smooth and shiny it looks. So yeah, I recommend a very dense brush. And then I'm just combing out the little baby hairs where I want them to be, and then I'm gonna end up putting it in a ponytail. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Well, not it, but you know, it's gonna be it for the ponytail part. And then I'm gonna spray it with some water, and you know, just to blend it in with the hair that's on the bottom. Okay, you guys, so that is about it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in for another lace series, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel and turn on my notifications for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.